All right, guys, so here's my dilemma, okay? I was taking my beach cart. I was going to the beach. We're going to go fishing, and it had a flat tire. So, I don't know. So it's all flat. So what I'm going to do, right there. Okay, here we go. There's a hole right here. So what I got to do is take a soldering iron. Yeah, I know it sounds weird, and we're gonna melt the latex back together and then see if that holds up, and we can put air back into it. But I think it'll work. So I saw a video of a guy doing it on YouTube. I don't remember what channel it was, but it worked for him on a wheelies wheel. These aren't wheelies, but we'll see if it works on these poly wheels. All right, stay tuned. If I were to buy a new one, it would be like $50-$60. So instead, I went to Ace Hardware. Sorry about the lighting. And I got one of these soldering irons for $19. It plugs in and it gets to 900 degrees. Okay, that's hot, so be careful. All right, here we go. Just gonna move the latex around over it just a little bit. Move it over the hole. I gotta blow it down. Cool it off a little bit. So now what I'm gonna do, now that I've moved that latex over, I'm gonna take some Dawn dish soap and I'm gonna smear it over this new patch, and I'm gonna see if it's sealed. See if it makes a bubble. I'll squeeze some air out. Okay, so I put it over here, squeezing. I don't see any bubbles, so I think we patched it. Let's fill it up with air, see if it holds air. This thing is really cool. Okay, this is my Air Hawk. I got this from my Uncle Kerry. It's like battery powered air compressor. So we find the hole here. It's right there, and same as like a basketball or whatever. Make sure you get it in there. Turn it on. Normally you want to hand pump these things, so I'm going kind of sparingly. I don't want to over pump it. But she is holding air. And check, see if the bubbles are coming. Nope, no bubbles. All right, we've got ourselves a tire. No air coming out. She's back. That's how you fix it. We fixed it. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. See you next time. Keep it reeling.